This is fit for a 2011 through 2018 Ford Focus hatchback and sedan. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack 2500 RS base roof rack system. The system is custom configured for this vehicle with pre-cut Vortex load bars, front bar measuring 41¼ inches in length, provides a flush fitted appearance, connects to the vehicle using the Rhino-Rack DK301 fitting kit. This kit includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location, front to rear, center to center, at 28 3/8 inches. The rear bar is 39 inches. The system offers 165 pounds of weight carrying capacity. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.